delay, and welcome to Tibet This Week. This is Sakina Bhatt with another edition of Weekly News on Tibet, His Holiness the Dalai Lama and Central Tibetan Administration. Let's look at the headlines first. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar calls on His Holiness the Dalai Lama. His Holiness the Dalai Lama expresses sadness over bushfire tragedy in Australia. His Holiness the Dalai Lama concludes teachings in Bodh, Gaya. China detains over 30 Tibetans in Wonpo, Eastern Tibet. Kashag hosts Union Minister of State for shipping Honorable Mansukh Mandaviya. Representative Tashi Phuntsok calls on members of the European Parliament, Mikulas, Peksa. Honorable Chief Minister Shri Nitish Kumar of Bihar called on His Holiness the Dalai Lama in Bodh, Gaya on Wednesday this week. CTA President Dr. Lobsang Singye was also present at the meeting. His Holiness greeted the Bihar Chief Minister warmly, calling him an old friend and someone who has shown interest in the Nalanda tradition. His Holiness the Dalai Lama expressed deep sadness over the loss of lives in the bushfire in Australia. In his condolence message to the Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison, His Holiness wrote, "It is simply heart-wrenching to learn about these ferocious infernos and yet so inspiring to learn about the personal bravery of so many volunteers who have come together as firefighters. May I offer my condolences to the families whose members have lost their lives as a result of the bushfires and to those many people who have become homeless after the fires caused unprecedented damage to the property." His Holiness the Dalai Lama concluded his teachings in Bodh Gaya with completion of Manjushri's cycle of teachings that was started last year. Before the occasion came to an end, a representative of the Great Prayer Festival Committee announced that following His Holiness's advice, they would make a donation to the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. The followers and practitioners of Buddhism must now become the 21st century Buddhist compatible with modern science, says His Holiness the Dalai Lama. After concluding his teachings, His Holiness addresses a group of Southeast Asian devotees in Bodh Gaya on Tuesday this week. Referring to the teachings of Buddha Dharma, His Holiness noted that placing mere faith in God is obsolete and outdated.
So, as I mentioned earlier, those great masters of Nalanda, they make a distinction, Buddha's own word. Such Buddhist teaching we can accept because there is sufficient reason. A certain Buddhist teaching we cannot accept because it against reason, like that. So therefore, the Nalanda tradition extensively use reasoning.
Chinese authorities have detained over 30 Tibetans for a fortnight in Wonpo town, Kamsherchul County in Kharze Prefecture. According to sources, they were detained under harsh conditions from around 21st November to 12 December 2019 for 2 weeks. Those detained were local Tibetan monks and lay people identified by the authorities as people with suspicious behavior. The armed security forces swarmed the streets of Wonpo town, patrolling and keeping high surveillance of all activities of the local Tibetans. The Kashag of Central Tibetan Administration hosted a reception in honor of the Union Minister of State for Shipping and Chemical and Fertilizers, Honorable Mansukh Mandaviya. The reception held at the Kashag Secretariat on Monday was attended by members of the Kashag, including Kalung Sonam Topgel Kholasang, Kalung Karma Yeshi, Kalung Chokyong Wangchuk, and Kashag Secretary Tsegel. The Kalus extended greetings on behalf of the Central Tibetan Administration and the Tibetan people. Mr. Tashi Phuntsok, representative of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and Ms. Rinzi Chudin, EU Advocacy Officer, Office of Tibet, Brussels, met with Mr. Mikulas Peksa, member of European Parliament from Czech Pirate Party affiliated in Greens EFA of the European Parliament. The meeting discussed various forms of Tibetan advocacy and campaigns in the European Parliament. There was also a proposal of members of the European Parliament and assistants visiting Dharamshala. Mr. Peksa is a prominent Tibet supporter from the Czech Republic. So much for today. See you next time and have a great weekend.